Hi, my name is Frank, and I've loved life ever since I was little. And it's funny because people always think that I am a little bit crazy or I just love life too much. But the thing is, I always have love life because it is crazy with all the flowers and the bushes and of course the trees. But who who can forget the trees? There's so much grass and love between everything in the world that why would you not love it? Of course. But anyways, um my mother is Deutsch and my father is German, of course. Oui, oui. But that's French. I've just been around the world and I really love grass and fairies and just, being able to think outside the box and with everything just being so cool. So, that's me. Goodbye.